Very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teacher Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some solved examples of exercise 7b. So, solved examples exercise 7b. First of all, question number 2. In the given figure, DE parallel BC. DE is parallel to BC. AD equal to 2 centimeter. AD equal to 2 centimeter. BD equal to 2.5 centimeter. BD equal to 2.5 centimeter. AE equal to 3.2 centimeter. AE equal to 3.2 centimeter. And DE equal to 4 centimeter. DE equal to 4 centimeter. Find AC and BC. AC and BC find करना है. So let's start solution. First of all, given DE parallel है BC. DE parallel BC. DE is parallel to BC. Then the angle ADE and the angle ABC are equal, corresponding angles. Okay, and angle AED and angle ACB are equal. These are corresponding angles. So first of all, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, ADE and triangle ABC, angle ADE equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles, and angle AED equal to angle ACB, these are corresponding angles. So triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Angle similarity. Okay. If triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, then it means its sides are proportional. The ratio of these sides are proportional. So now AD by AB, AD by AB. Okay. Students, in triangle ADE, इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड है AD. ओके, और इस एंगल, ये एंगल जो ADE का है और ABC के किस एंगल के इक्वल है, तो ये इस एंगल के इक्वल है, तो इसके ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या होगा, AB. सो AD बाई AB इक्वल टू इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या है, AE. एंड और ये एंगल इस बड़े वाले ABC ट्रायंगल के एंगल B के इक्वल है. सो इसके ठीक अपोजिट साइड AC. तो AE बाई AC इक्वल टू, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज एंगल A इज कॉमन, सो DE बाई BC. DE बाई BC. ओके. Find AC and BC. AC and BC. AD is given, AB is given, AE is given, and AC. Okay. Then AD by AB. Now AD by AB, AC. AE by AC. AD equal to 2 centimeter. AB equal to 2 centimeter और प्लस 2.5, तो 2 और 2 4.5 centimeter. AE equal to 3.2 centimeter and AC equal to what? So by cross multiplication, 2 multiply AC equal to 3.2 multiply 4.5. AC equal to 3.2 multiply 4.5 by 2. 0.10 point removed, denominator 10. Okay, 5 2 ja 10, 5 9 ja 45, 2 5 ja 10, 16, 144 by 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 2 to 10 and 2 72. It means 7.2. AC equal to 7.2. Okay, and find BC. For BC find, then AE by AC equal to DE by BC. So again AE by AC equal to DE by BC. AE is given, A is given 3.2 centimeter, AC equal to 7.2 centimeter, right? Equal to DE equal to 4 centimeter and BC equal to what? Okay, by cross multiplication, BC equal to 4 multiply 7.2 by 3.2. Point is removed. 4 8 ja 32, 8 9 ja 72. So BC equal to 9 centimeter. Next, question number 5. Find angle P in the adjoining figure. In the given figure, find angle P. What is angle P? For triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle QPR, AB by QR, AB equal to 3.6 and 7.2, 1 by 2. Okay, and DC by PR equal to 6 by 12, 1 by 2, and AC by QP, it means 3 root 3 by 6 root 3, root 3 cancel, 3 2 is 6, 1 by 2. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal, it means proportional. So we say that the triangle ABC, is similar to triangle AB QRP, triangle QRP. Okay, so AB by QR, then AB by QR, BC by PR, and AC by QP, alternate AC by QP. Angle C equal to angle P, because AB के ठीक सामने एंगल क्या है? C, दिस एंगल, एंड AB by QR. ओके, तो QR के ठीक सामने का एंगल क्या है? P. तो एंगल C इक्वल टू एंगल P. ओके, तो एंगल C इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, क्योंकि एंगल A प्लस एंगल B प्लस एंगल C इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सम ऑफ द एंगल्स ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल, all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree minus angle A plus angle B, it means 70 degree or plus 60 degree, right? 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. So angle C equal to 50 degree, angle C equal to angle P equal to 50 degree, right? So angle P equal to 50 degree. Question number 9. Next, question number 9. Prove that, important question for students, prove that the ratio of the perimeters of two similar triangles is the same as the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, first of all we draw a diagram. A triangle ABC and triangle PQR. A triangle PQR. The ratio of the perimeters of two similar triangles. Perimeter, sum of all sides of a rectilinear figure. The sum of all sides of a closed rectilinear figure. It means that figure, that closed figure which is bounded by only line segments. That figure is called rectilinear figure. So triangle is the rectilinear figure, closed figure which is bounded by three line segments, and triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So first of all, naming the sides. So angle A, the opposite side is a small a. Angle B, opposite side is a small b. Angle C, opposite side is a small c. Okay, and angle P, a small p, Q, and a small r. Okay, the sum perimeter of the triangle ABC, so A plus B plus C. Perimeter of the triangle PQR, so P plus Q plus R. Okay, so given a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, BC equal to A, AB equal to C, and AC equal to B. And in PQR, PQ equal to R, QR equal to P, and PR equal to Q. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. To prove that corresponding sides, okay, so A by P equal to B by Q equal to C by R equal to perimeter of triangle ABC, divided by perimeter of triangle PQR. Okay, it means perimeter of triangle ABC, A plus B plus C, divided by perimeter of triangle PQR, so P plus Q plus R. That is proof. Okay, so let's start proof. So in triangle ABC and PQR, सबसे पहले in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, okay, are similar. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Their corresponding sides. If in triangle ABC, since triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So A by P, B by Q equal to C by R. Okay, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then their sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding side A by P, B by Q, and C by R. Students, let K, okay, A by P, B by Q equal to C by R equal to K. So first of all, AP equal to K. So AP equal to K. So A equal to PK, right? B by Q equal to K, for B equal to QK, right? And Phi by R equal to K, for Phi equal to RK, right? So A equal to PK, B equal to QK, and Phi equal to RK. Now, perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle PQR equal to ABC perimeter A plus B plus C divided by perimeter of triangle PQR. PQR, this is equation 1. A by P equal to B by Q equal to Phi by R equal to K, equation first. Perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle PQR equal to A plus B plus C equal to P plus Q plus R. A, the value, put the value of A, PK, for PK, plus put the value of B, QK, for QK, put the value of C, RK, for plus RK, divided by P plus Q plus R. Okay, and K is common in all terms. K is common, then P plus Q plus R divided by P plus Q plus R. P plus Q plus R is cancel, equal to K. Equation second. So equation first and second, from equation 1 and 2 we get RHF is equal, RHF is K and K. So we write A by P equal to B by Q equal to Phi by R equal to perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle PQR, right? Students, next question number 15. Okay, important questions. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at point O using a similarity criterion. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles so that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. First of all, we draw a diagram ABCD. A trapezium A, B, C and D. Okay, AC the diagonal and BD the other diagonal, and both intersect at the point O. Okay, both diagonals intersect at a point O. So diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. Okay, ABCD with AB parallel DC intersect each other at point O. Intersect each other at point O using a similarity criterion for two triangles. Student, this question proved in first exercise of triangle. It means 7A by Thales theorem. Okay, and now we solved these questions using the similarity criterion. It means similarity. Okay, so now let's start solution. Given a triangle, a trapezium ABCD, in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC and AC and BD is the diagonals intersect each other at a point O. Prove that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. right? So proof OA by OC, OA by OC and OB by OD. Okay, so in two triangles, triangle AOD or triangle BOC, or in triangle AOB and OCD. Okay, so in triangle OAB, let's start. In triangle OAB and OAB and OCD and triangle OCD, right? So students, AB is parallel to DC and CA is the transversal, then angle CAB and angle OCD, angle OAB and angle OCD are equal, alternate interior angles. Okay, so angle OAB equal to angle OCD alternate interior angles, and angle OBA and angle ODC are equal. Angle OBA equal to angle ODC alternate interior angle, and these are the parallel lines, and DB is the transversal. Okay, and angle COD is equal to angle BAOD, vertically opposite angle. Angle AOB equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. So the right triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. Angle criterion. Okay, both triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So we write first of all OA, इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या है? OA. सो OA, एंड ये इस ट्रायंगल के ये एंगल और इस ट्रायंगल के ये एंगल किस एंगल के इक्वल है? तो इस एंगल के इक्वल है, तो इसके ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या होगा? OC. क्लियर है? प्रोपोर्शनल लिखने का ये तरीका है, ठीक है ना, कि इन ट्रायंगल OAB में अगर हम इस एंगल को ले रहे हैं तो इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड इस ट्रायंगल में क्या है? OA. तो OA, और इस सेकेंड ट्रायंगल में ये एंगल किस एंगल की इक्वल है? तो इस एंगल के, तो इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड क्या है? OC. तो OC. देन इस एंगल के ठीक सामने वाला साइड कौन है? इस ट्रायंगल में OB, एंड ये एंगल इस एंगल के इक्वल है, तो इसके ठीक सामने वाला साइड OD. ओके, OA by OC equal to OB by OD. प्रूव्ड.